Welcome to our CPU Showdown. Today we're diving deep into the world of high-performance processors with a face-off between the AMD Ryzen 97900X and the Ryzen 99900X3D. Both are 12-core, 24-thread powerhouses designed for gamers and professionals alike. We'll explore their specifications, performance in gaming, and productivity tasks, and help you decide which one is the better choice for your needs. Let's get started. When it comes to cache size, the Ryzen 99900X3D takes the lead with an impressive 140 megabytes of total cache, thanks to its innovative 3D V-cache technology. In contrast, the Ryzen 97900X offers a respectable 76 megabytes cache. This significant difference in cache size can greatly impact performance, especially in gaming scenarios where quick access to data is crucial. The larger cache of the 9900X3D allows for faster data retrieval, which can translate to higher frame rates and smoother gameplay. In terms of clock speed, the Ryzen 97900X boasts a maximum boost clock of 5.6 GHz, making it a powerhouse for single-threaded tasks and high-frequency workloads. On the other hand, the Ryzen 99900X3D has a lower boost clock of 4.4 GHz. While this may seem like a disadvantage, the 9900X3D compensates with its larger cache, which enhances its performance in gaming and cache-sensitive applications. Therefore, while the 7900X excels in raw clock speed, the 9900X3D leverages its architecture for efficiency and gaming prowess. Thermal design power, or TDP, is another critical factor to consider. The Ryzen 97900X has a TDP of 170 W, which means it requires robust cooling solutions to maintain optimal performance. In contrast, the Ryzen 99900X3D operates at a much lower TDP of 120 W, resulting in cooler operation and less power consumption. This efficiency not only reduces heat output, but also translates to lower running costs and a quieter system, making the 9900X3D an attractive option for gamers looking for performance without excessive heat. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 97900X and the Ryzen 99900X3D offer exceptional performance, but they cater to different needs. The 7900X is ideal for users who prioritize high clock speeds for productivity tasks, while the 9900X3D shines in gaming scenarios with its massive cache and lower power consumption. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific use case. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.